friends, it's Sonia Miller. Welcome back to my channel, and today, be shocked, be surprised, we're doing something shabby. Yes, because I've been inspired to glam up, to jazz up a shabby candle holder. Did you see my vlog in the last few weeks on here when I went and visited my friend Laurel's shop? It's called 1806 Antiques. I'll link it below if you did not. Go check that out. It's haunted. And I went paranormal thrifting. Paranormal junking. Paranormal junking. Is that even a word? I don't know. But when I was there, I couldn't leave my friend's shop without supporting her and picking up a few fun finds of my own. And that is where this project today gets started. All it is a chunk of wood and another piece of wood, okay? So there you go. Just to show you that if you love shabby, chippy, distressed, time-worn, aged, just like me, you can make some pretty quick projects, but you just gotta have a little bit of vision. This was one candle holder that I found made by a vendor in her store. It was the only one there. I loved it. I grabbed it up for all of $12. I thought it was perfect. Ain't got time to chop off a post and to hammer that all together. But what I do have time for is to make this va-va-va-voo beautiful, shabby gorgeous, and that is what we are going to do today. It's not even sealed, and yes, the paint is chipping. Can I say it one more time? But I still love it. But I'm going to love it even more. I'm gonna give this post some personality with some Poe. I'm gonna go with an antique lace. Our antique lace is our off-white cream color. We're gonna grab the fleur-de-lis. Just so easy to grab a brush, go bananas, dry brush it to the perfect amount that you love. Ooh la la. So now I'm looking at this and sizing it up and seeing how every side is different. This is probably the darkest side because it has more of the aged wood showing, because I want the light to show up against the dark. And if I put it in with a lot of other paint, it's not gonna show up as boldly as if I were to put it somewhere right there. Because the rest of the piece is worn, time worn, naturally, we're gonna go ahead and grab a sand block and we're going to distress this Poe even more. Isn't that beautiful? A little extra distressing. We're gonna take our glue, our rapid fuse glue. You can find all the supplies that I use here on my vlog, link below, or just visit junkmonkeypaint.com. 30 seconds of me holding this on or pressing it down or letting gravity do its work will make this fuse on. Yippee! We are locked and loaded. Don't you just love how this looks already? Now, Matt loves it, don't you, Matt, when I pull out things like this?
That thing has been kicking around. You know how long that thing's been kicking around?
We don't throw anything out around here. Love, love, love to jazz up stuff, especially shabby style stuff with a little bit of twine or rope or things like that. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add a little bit of this to the top and maybe just a line or two on the bottom. So when I put the twine on, I basically tied it really loosey-goosey up here and put I made the bow up here and just kind of let it dangle. But when I did the bottom, so basically it creates a little section right here of pattern. We got our focal point here and a little section of pattern. A lot of times when I make signs, I love to wrap a little bit of just, you know, jute, twine, whatever you find, burlap strips around it, because I just think it gives you just a really nice warm element to your piece. If I wanted to, I could seal it with some banana peel, but I really don't need to. Nothing's coming off of here. The paint's not gonna fall off. This is a decorative piece. It's not gonna get a lot of traffic. Nobody's gonna be touching this. In fact, this is just gonna sit right here in my office. And guess what I'm gonna do? I bought this candle, but she just looks a whole lot better than if I just left it like with nothing. You know, now it just feels like it's got my personality. Thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy my videos, leave me a comment below. Give me a big thumbs up. When you do that, it allows me to be able to keep creating these videos for you every single day. And I hope you're getting lots of inspiration. Maybe you have something right now that just needs a little jazzing up. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.